this instructional video, I'd like to introduce to you the LT lighting system and show you how to install the LT communications plate. The LT switch plate comes in standard format and fits most mounting brackets. With the 1, 2, 4 or 6 button switch plate, the installation method is exactly the same. When you receive your LT switch, what you'll find in the box is the switch plate, which is packaged separately to protect it from damage and so to ensure that it comes to you in perfect condition. Underneath the switch plate is the communications plate. And the communications plate is the unit that attaches to the wall, and separately you will purchase the switch buttons that then connect to your switch plate. When wiring the MOX LT communications plate, we recommend that you use a UTP cable. It's readily available and cost effective. You can also use a figure 8 cable for power and twisted pair for comms if you choose, but it's most important that you use a twisted pair for communications. For consistency, we recommend that you use the brown pair for power and the blue pair for communications. The brown pair will be used for the 24 volt DC power supply. The brown will be used for the positive and the brown white will be used for negative. The blue pair will be used for communications, with the blue being used for the positive and the blue white for negative. Please ensure that you use a twisted pair for communications. When you're wiring the switches to the wall, in most cases you'll be daisy chaining from one switch to the next. In order to do this, you'll have an incoming UTP and an outgoing UTP. For the power supply, for instance, you will then have the 2 brown wires twisted together and the 2 brown white wires twisted together. They will go into the positive and negative terminals of the base plate in order to create the connection. The same goes for the communications. Twist the blue wires together and the blue white wires together. Then wire the blue into the positive and the blue white into the negative. Your ComPlate is now ready to be screwed to the wall. The MOX LT communications plate simply fits into the cavity and is fixed with 2 screws onto a standard bracket. Now that your MOX LT communications plate is installed, you simply select the desired buttons and place them into the sockets. Then you get your MOX LT switch plate and place it over the top, clip it into place, and your MOX LT lighting system is ready to go.